Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to play with the carnival colours from Hampshire Sheen. So I've got a piece of spalted ash on the lathe at the moment, and I'm just starting to get it to round with the easy wood finisher. I really wanted to see how the carnival colours would make the spalting. I was hoping it was going to pop, and I think it really did, to be fair. Really super impressed with these colours. Just doing a few finishing passes there. And just finishing off the bottom, getting ready to put in the mortise. And there we go with the Easy Woods #1 hollower. Now to the rougher, and now to the detailer, just to put in those 3 lines and shape that dovetail. Now, because I'm using the Hampshire Sheen carnival colours, I sanded up to 400 grit. So now I'm just applying the first coat of the red. I only use 3 colours on this piece. Which is the red, the orange, and I finish it off with the yellow. Trying to make some type of, I guess, flame fire effect. You can see how that's spalting, and it's on the first coat of the colours as well. You can see how that spalting is really starting to pop through. Just trying to get it to blend in there slightly. I just keep working backwards and forwards with the different colours to get a nice blended effect. I must admit though, this ash really soaked up them colours. Now just putting some sanding sealer on there. And now just flipped it round to the bow section. This is the Easy Woods #1 hollower again. Nice short work of this with this ball blank.
Coming around again. Termination, all that we might have been. In a world of unbelievers, there is no way of getting across to a crowd of true.
That's it, just get rid of that little nubbity nub. Now just using the Easy Woods finisher there, just to get rid of any of those tool marks left in. Some nice gentle passes. That finishes it up just nicely. Ready for sanding. And again, started at 120 on this one and worked up to 240 because I am going to put Yorkshire grit on this. So I have already put sanding sealer on, and this is the Yorkshire grit. Lathe speed at 500, just working that in, then speed it up after it starts to break down, and come back with the final bit. Now this is the Hampshire Sheen High Gloss. Look at that spalting. It's going to really shine in a second. Very thin amounts of wax that I put on this one, because I do put another coat on it as well. I didn't show you that one, but trust me, I put 2 coats on. And then to finish it off with the Hampshire Sheen microcrystalline. And there you go. Hope you like this one, and if you like what you see, please leave a comment at the end, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you, see you on the next one.